In this video, we are going to see how we can import all the vendors along with their opening balances just in a single click by using this simple method, which is using the import template. So here I have created an import template for you, which involves the partner, bill date, due date, and I put some sample partners along with the balances as well. That's why it's called the finished file. You can get it in the resources section of this video. So the method is very simple. You don't need to change multiple fields. We just copy the partners from here that we want to import in this Excel sheet and just paste it as values. Okay. Next, we don't want to change this because all of this is opening balances. So it should be imported on 1st of January. And same goes for the due date. For the bill date, for the bill reference, we just mention it as bill 01, 02, 03. And here we just put all the opening balances and paste it here. So these are all the balances. Just make sure that if you want to remove the commas, you just change it to general format. Under the invoice lines or account, basically we offset it from the suspense account like we did for the customers. So just check the ledger. Just go to the chart of accounts, write suspense, and this should be the number. I'll just paste it here and scroll all the way down. Make sure that the numbers won't change. If you get 501, 502, 503, you can just press Ctrl D and copy all of that and make sure that all the numbers remain the same. And vendors opening balance, I'll just put this reference here as well. And after that, just save it. Now what we'll do is just go to the vendors and click on bills directly. We don't have the vendors and we don't have the opening bills, but when we try to import it from the opening bills, it will automatically create the vendors as well. So click on this little gear icon and click on import records, and we click on upload the data file. Once we click on upload the data file, I'll just choose this file here, click on open, and we get all of these fields. Now remember, this column is about all the Excel file column names, and this is about the Odoo field. So if these are linked to some fields and it's not showing anything blank here, that means it is completely linked. Partner is linked to partner in the Odoo field. That means the Excel fields are easily identified in the Odoo fields. Bill date is linked to date, due date is linked to due date. Same goes for reference, unit prices, and all the things. Let's click on test, but we will still get any error. Basically, it's not an error. It's just telling you that you're trying to import the bill, but the partners doesn't exist. So if you want to create one or you want to prevent the import, I want to create new partners, new values. And after that, if we click on test, it will show you that everything seems valid now. Now it's not a problem. So click on the import and now you will see all of this, but still this is in the draft status. So if you click on one, just to check it randomly, and if everything looks good, same will go for all the other bills. Just you select all of these and click on action and click on confirm entries. Click on confirm again, and all of this will be posted immediately in a single go. After that, if we click on the reporting and click on the trial balance, you will notice that we get the accounts payable balance exactly of this amount. And if we click on this balance, it will show you the individual vendor along with the balances as well. So that's nice. And also you will notice that now the opening balance suspense account balance is only 22,675.00, which will automatically reconcile when we enter the inventory along with the opening balances. So after that, this suspense account will automatically turn it to 0. And we have the clean imported trial balance here. So this is how you can use a simple method to import both the vendors along with the opening balances, and same goes for customers and inventory. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.